Good day viewers, here is our new recipe for today's video. So sit back, relax and enjoy our video for today. Let's go!
Ingredients for Lumpiang Shanghai: 1 1/2 pounds ground pork, 2 pieces onion that are minced, 2 pieces of carrots that are also minced, 1 1/2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 cup parsley and chopped, 1 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 eggs, 50 pieces lumpia wrapper and 3 cups cooking oil.
Ilagay ang ground pork. Isunod ang sibuyas. Next ay carrots. Add the parsley leaves. Add garlic, onion powder, and black pepper. And add the egg. After that, mix well. Prepare the lumpia wrapper. Add the mixed meat with vegetables and wrap it. Heat the oil and fry the Shanghai. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.